Hey, we're finally in the garage that we rented. Salute to the flag. Everybody that has been in the military, I don't care what branch, salute to you, sir, man. Much respect, Godspeed. The landlord, honestly, he's the moment I started talking to him, I'm like, man, this guy seems legit. He had his son-in-law put up the new light bulbs. He even had him put in a new outlet on that side. Instead of just having one here, they even changed all this out. So that's great. You know, it's nice, well lit up. So all the stuff that we're gonna put in here, extension cables, the the lift, the jack, the towers. This because I'm gonna be dropping the drive shaft, so I want to make sure that the car doesn't go, bye bye, and go through, because that'd be bad. Toolkit from Husky. We stopped by Harbor Freight real quick, spent about 50-60 bucks. Got this thing to be able to put all the bolts and all that kind of stuff, because I don't want to lose anything. So up here we got the rear main seal. At some point we're gonna be flushing out the coolant system. Haven't done it yet. Here's all the little stuff. This is where the oil bypass barbell thing goes on the back left corner of the motor. Heat shrink for when I do this on the not the high and low beams, the one underneath it. These are completely fried. So the top, the new lights have like the little light that goes around. Those aren't working, so I got to redo those. This is going to be the steering wheel control switches, which I got these picks specifically for that. Got a headlight just when I'm underneath the truck. Swivels, just in case I might need them. New terminals, because the ones, anybody knows that you have a GMT 800, those things are a pain to clasp on a little thing like that. Got this stuff, so take off the lug nuts, splicing wires, connecting everything together, to be able to disconnect the plugs. I gotta change my brake pads because they're pretty bad. Fog lights, AC tensioner. This is to make sure that this is installed correctly, like it's not off. This is the switch for the driver's side that is broken. Typically they break, so I got that. Little stuff here and there. Got the tools here, everything organized for when it's time to clean, because I do have 4 connections for water, which is awesome. Got another plug back there, which is great, because you always need more. When I got to do the oil change, because I'm going to drain the oil, the transmission fluid, I'm going to try to flush all the liquids out and make sure we're good to go for the winter. Got to get new tires, by the way. So, yep, that's it. I love it. It's great to have a place. Since we moved, it's been rough. You know what I mean? My daughter has to use the bathroom. That's life, man. You got to do what you got to do. So, shout out to my wife, baby. I love you. My daughter, or our daughter, should I say. She's amazing. So, yep, we're just super excited. Welcome to our garage. We look forward to seeing you. For you to see us in the future, working on the truck. We got quite a few things. There's still some more modifications I want to do because I'm not completely done. We're probably going to do a little bit of paint work, but that's for the future. But until then, God bless. Peace out.